Alright, George Jimmy Sports Cards here. We're doing a case of Spectra. Spectra Basketball 14-15. This is pick your team number 7, guys. Pick your team number 7. Appreciate the fill. Good luck. So you're going to pick up some more of this stuff for Monday. We'll do some more breaks of it Monday. Box number 1, guys. Good luck.
Make sure I have the sleeves here.
Now for this, guys, we can get right into the Bowman. We're halfway filled on the Bowman. It's Bowman Hobby, so it's not too expensive there. So that we can do some fillers on. Definitely better of the two Hobby compared to Bowman Jumbos. Got one base in there. Base on the back. Might be the 2 blue base spots. Yep. First up, we got Larry Bird for the Celtics. Celtics is Cyrus. And 19 of 49. Next, we got Trey Burke for the Jazz. 16 of 49. Fitch 1, 2, 3 in the Jazz. Won't have more of this probably till Monday. Hakeem Olajuwon for the Rockets. Pig Iron. 54 of 75 on the base. Next, we got Aaron Gordon for the Magic. Jersey. Magic is Cyrus. 14 of 49. Our first gold. Nick Stauskas and the Kings. 3-color patch. The Bus, Frank and the Kings. That's numbered 1 of 10. 1 of 10. Next, we got Jordan Adams for the Grizzlies. 0 pull and the Grizzlies. 6 of 99. 2-color patch autograph. Jordan Adams. Next we have for the Thunder, Nick Collison, jersey autograph for the Thunder. The Bus, Frank. That is numbered 118 of 125. Nick Collison. Next we have Mirza Teletovic for the Nets. Cyrus and the Nets, Teletovic. Teletovic. 64 149. Mirza. Next we have for the Suns, Walter Davis. Walter Davis for the Suns. There you go. Suns is Tommy B. 98 of 149. Nice little hit here. We got jersey autograph Kyrie Irving for the Cavs and Webb Jr. Kyrie Irving for the Cavs. Nice hit there. 24 of 35. Box number 2. First up, we got Rudy Gay for the Kings. Blue base. Kings is the bus. 34/49. Next, we have for the Warriors, David Lee. David Lee for the Warriors. Patrick. 32 of 75. Next, we got Zach Randolph for the Grizz. Jersey. Blue jersey. Numbered 14 of 35. Zero cool in the Grizz. Next, we got Otto Porter for the Wizards. Jumbo jersey. Webb Jr. in the Wiz. 7 of 25. 7 of 25. Second gold. This one goes to the Nuggets. Alex English and the Nuggets gold patch. Cyrus. 3-color patch. Alex English. Next up for the Hawks, Adrian Payne, 3-color patch autograph. Salty Dog. 3-color patch autograph, Adrian Payne. Next we got for the Clippers, 3-color patch autograph, CJ Wilcox. KT Authentics and the Clippers. 28 of 99. Clippers. Next we got Markel Brown for the Nets. 2-color patch autograph. Cyrus and the Nets. And a nice one coming up here. Third gold. Third gold goes to Gary Payton and the Thunder. 2-color patch autograph for Frank and the Thunder. GP, that's number 9 of 10. 9 of 10. Nice hit there, Frank. Third box. Looks like we got the points box. Die cuts, Al Horford and the Hawks. Salty Dog. It's number 20 of 25. Next, we got Rajon Rondo for the Mavs. BKVG in the Mavs, 10 of 75 on the base. Next, we got for the Heat, Shabazz Napier in the Heat. Keith Yandel in the Heat. 48 of 99 jersey. Next, we have for the Thunder, second hit for Gary Payton and the Thunder, jersey. The Bus, 10 of 25 on the jersey. 10 of 25. Next, we got James Young and the Celtics. Two-color patch autograph blue. Cyrus and the Celtics. 67 of 99. So our first random's going to go for 600 points. 600 points. Next hit goes to the Sixers. KJ McDaniels in the Sixers. Big D in the Sixers. Next we have Reggie Jackson jersey autograph for the Thunder. The Bus. Numbered 74 of 125. Reggie Jackson. And last hit in this box goes to the Timberwolves. Zach LaVine jersey autograph. Big D in the Timberwolves. 94 of 125. Two boxes left, guys. Good luck. I say these next two boxes are going to be pretty loaded. Next we got for the Sixers, Nerlens Noel. 19 of 25. Die cut. Big D in the Sixers. Next we got Ricky Rubio for the Timberwolves. Big D. 2 of 75. Next we got Tyreke Evans for the Pelicans jersey. Salty Dog in the Pelicans. Number 21 of 35. Next we got for the Sixers, Allen Iverson jersey. Sixers is Big D. Numbered 15 of 25. Next we got Corey Jefferson in the Nets. Two-color patch autograph. Cyrus and the Nets. So our next random is going to go to 400 points. So 600 and 400. Next we have for the Sixers, KJ McDaniels, 2-color patch autograph. KJ McDaniels for the Sixers. Big D for the Sixers. Next we got for the Spurs, Danny Green and the Spurs. Boston's dad and the Spurs. Jersey autograph, 95 of 100. And lastly, another gold. This time for the Jazz. Dante Exum 2-color patch autograph gold for Fitch 123. There you go, Fitch, man. That is numbered 1 of 10, sorry. 1 of 10. eBay 101. Nice little hit there. Last box left. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck. Saving the best box for last. Let's see. Channing Frye, the Magic. Magic is Cyrus. 32 of 49. Next, we got for the Jazz, Pistol Pete. Base to 75. Pitch 123. 23 of 75. Pistol Pete. Next, we have for the Nets. That's pretty sick. Next card. Nets. 30 of 35. Nets is Cyrus. This, look at that. You can even see it sticking up. Carmelo Anthony. 3-color patch. Green. For the Knicks and Glenn Verity. Three-color patch. A little stitching. Threads hanging out. There you go, man. 3 of 5. 3 of 5. Nice little patch on that, man. Next, we got for the Bucks, Damian English for the Bucks. Darth Venom, 2-color patch autograph. Next, we got some orange. Marquise Johnson for the Clippers. 2-color patch autograph in the Clippers. KT Authentics. 2 of 25. 2 of 25. I think we have the case hit card on this one, so let's get that one out of the way. Lucas Negura, 1 per case for the Raptors. Lucas Negura, Salty Dog, Global Icons. Next we got Doug McDermott for the Bulls. Orange. Bulls is Jay Lee. 25 of 25. Dougie McDermott. And 2 hits left, guys. Good luck. 2 hits left. First one, Nick Stauskas, 3-color patch autograph for the Kings. Kings. The Bus, Frank. 3-color patch, that's 36 and 99. And last hit of the break goes to the Pistons, Isaiah Thomas. Isaiah Thomas and the Pistons. That is numbered 8 of 35. That's the break, guys. Thanks again. Next video, we'll have the random for the 2 points, 600 and 400. Good luck on those two.